Hi folks, this time the team at Ink Themes have actually brought a WordPress theme which will allow you to create your own business directory site in any specific city for any business type easily in the matter of few minutes. Directory site is really one of the very best business model. It allows you to generate your own recurring passive business in just a few simple steps. So let me just brief you on what directory businesses are. Directory businesses is something that will allow different businesses to aggregate and list down on your website. So if you have a directory business yourself, you can actually list down different businesses in your city on any specific niche and put them and aggregate them on your website. Since there would be hundreds of business aggregated on your websites, Google loves your site and you get better rankings for search engines, and you get different kind of people coming over to your website where you would be generating businesses for all those businesses who are listed on your site. So let me just brief you on all the different steps. So we are releasing this GeoCraft theme. It is a version 2 of GeoCraft. It is really fantastic. We have made tons of improvements to GeoCraft ever since we launched the first version back in 2012. It has all the different improved features. The code base is very clean since last time. It allows you to create directory of your own city. You can list businesses in any niche. So basically it allows you to create your own business sites for doctors, lawyers, attorneys, wedding planners, or just about any business type out there. Businesses love directory site, and there's a big reason for that. The biggest reason is that people really love directory site because they get business out of it. The reason they get business out of it is because, let's say a doctor creates an individual website of its own. It is very hard to rank in the search engine, as well as it is very hard for the doctor who is really into the practice of doctor to really work on his site to get it higher on the search engines. While in your case, since you are building a directory sites and aggregating all the doctors in your city, your website is quite easier to rank in Google, because when Google comes over to your website, he sees that you have put a potential amount of time and resources in creating and aggregating a directory site. And Google always loves site where there is content, and directory site allows you to put hundreds of pages of different content for all those different businesses out there. So it is really one of the things that search engine loves personally, and it is actually very easier to rank. This is one of the reasons that directory site is very popular. Now imagine the situation, if a doctor who gets a $500 clients, and if you put out his business on your website in a premium mode, and let's say he gets 5 leads out of your website, $500 leads out of your website, wouldn't he be happy to pay you $100 or $200 in every month? Because he's getting about $2,500 out of your website. He would be more than happy to pay up to $100 to $200 every month in recurring fee. And let's say you have 100 businesses on your website paying you $100 to $200 every month for getting their businesses listed. It would be an easy $10,000 to $20,000 in your city, in your specific niche as well. So directory site this is one of the reasons directory sites is very profitable, and it allows you to generate a payment on a recurring basis, and you can actually build businesses out of it. So directory sites are easier to rank in search engine. Since people would be finding your website on the search engine, they would be coming over to your site, and if they have any specific requirement, they would be filling out the leads form or all those kind of request form on your website. When they fill out the request form, this leads can actually be sold to different businesses for again a one-time or recurring payment. So this gives you a multiple way to earn money using your own directory site, as well as if you this directory site allows you to actually list multiple businesses without even contacting the doctors or advocates or lawyers or attorneys first. You can list these businesses on their own on your own on the website, and then they can actually claim their listing on your website if they find it really profitable. So this theme comes with a claim listings option, and it allows payment via PayPal. So all the payment modules, all the multi-currency payments module is really supported in this specific business directory site, which will allow you to create a directory site easily in just a matter of few minutes and allows you to collect payment in just about any currency out there. So it doesn't matter whether you live in France, Germany, Canada, New Zealand, US or Australia, you can actually build your directory site in just a matter of few minutes in any specific business niche in just any country or any city out there. So directory sites are very profitable. We have been doing this for like 2012. We created our first directory site as GeoCraft, as theme as GeoCraft. It was one of the very popular web theme, and hundreds of people all around the world created directory website using it. So this is an advanced version of the same directory theme of GeoCraft, and it comes with tons of amazing improvements which will actually make this website a really great thing for you to start your own directory businesses. You might have heard about Yelp and Yellow Pages already. Yelp is a $300 million company. It really made this profit in just last year alone. It started small by just aggregating restaurants in different cities, and last year they made $300 million in profits alone. Yellow Pages is another one of the biggest directory websites, and there is hundreds of potentials to create directory website in a small city, because these sites can't reach in small cities as effectively as you can in different cities. And if you create a domain and get a domain like maybe restaurants in Maine or something like that, you would be easily getting hundreds of businesses paying you for getting their businesses listed on your website. So get this theme, and I would see you on the other side of the fence. This is really one of the fantastic things, and I am pretty sure that you would make a great profit out of it. So thanks for watching this video, and do get this GeoCraft theme, and I am pretty sure that you will love this as well. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm going to give you a quick demo of how you can set up the GeoCraft theme on your website. So right now I have this 2010 theme installed on my server. I'm going to the WordPress dashboard, and under the appearance settings I'm going to upload the GeoCraft theme. So I'm clicking on upload button. I'm choosing the file. So here's the GeoCraft theme. I'm just pressing the install now button. After the theme is completely installed, I'm pressing the activate theme button. Once you press the activate button, you will see that the theme had been activated successfully, and it is saying that would you like to populate the sample data on your site. When we move to the front end and do the reload, you can see your website would look something like this. Now I'm heading back to the WordPress dashboard, and I'm pressing this insert sample data button. Once you do this insert sample data button, your entire data would be populated in a demo. Now you can see that you already have some listings. You have recently added listings. You have some listing tagged as featured listings, and you have a complete website built something like this. Now the coolest thing is all the business listings go under this tab of business listings. You can see that it's a complete custom post types, and all your listings are added one by one over here. If you want to add a new listing from the back end, it's very simple. You just need to click this add new listing button and enter the title over here. A little information regarding the hotel. You can set the address. You can set the contact name of the person.